Filmora13 Magic, unleashing the power of new blue and force effects for captivating snowy scenes and artistic transformations. Hey everyone, I'm back to unleash the winter wonderland within your video editing skills. Today, we're diving into the magical world of snow effects in Filmora13, and trust me, it's anything but cold. So, grab your virtual mittens and let's build some epic snowy scenes, crafting a serene snowscape. Open the Effects panel. It's the little magic wand icon on the top toolbar. Navigate to Force Effects and choose BCC Particle. Don't worry, these particles won't be radioactive, just frosty. Search for Snow 2D or Falling Snow in the Effect Library. Drag it onto the track above your video clip. Time to make it snow. Adjust the size, speed and direction of the snowflakes. You can even change their type and transparency for extra realism. Bonus tip: want a frosty, misty look? Go back to Effects and add New Blue Stylizer. Choose Sheer Energy and select the Vacuumed Up preset. Play with the blend slider for a subtle distortion that screams winter wonderland. Witness the before and after. You just transformed your scene into a serene snowscape like a video editing pro. Let it snow with Boris FX. Back to the Effects panel. Click on Boris FX this time. Remember, Boris is your special effects powerhouse. Search for BCC Particles and choose the ever-popular BCC Snow. Add it to the track above your video. Snowflake time! Adjust the size, speed and wind for snowflakes that dance just like the real thing. You can even choose different snowflake shapes and textures for variety. Check out the transformation. Your video just went from ordinary to extraordinary, thanks to Boris FX and New Blue's creative magic. Artistic snowscape with lights and reflections. Let's play with Boris FX again. Choose BCC plus lights and then BCC plus light. This is your ticket to painting with light. Use the blur and displacement settings to create a soft, dreamy light effect. Think moonlight reflecting off the snow. Move the line to the side and adjust the angle to create a reflection. Remember, realism is key. Complete the scene with some light leaks. Go back to New Blue Effects and choose New Blue Filters. Experiment with the lightly presets until you find one that adds a touch of cinematic magic. Behold, your video's gone from ordinary to artistic masterpiece. The combination of light, reflections and snowflakes creates a truly stunning winter wonderland. There you have it. Share your snowy masterpieces in the comments below and show me how you brought these effects to life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more creative tips and tricks.